First of all, let me congratulate C-DAC for conceptualizing and bringing all the stakeholders for Supercomputing India as a preparedness to the event, which is scheduled for December 9 to 13. And the session that we had today was very encouraging. I think there were a lot of questions also from media, from industry associations, and also from other stakeholders who are likely to benefit. I wish a great success for this Supercomputing India conference. This is the first of its kind, but I'm sure the world will take a note, and I request all the stakeholders to look forward to this conference and make it a big success by not only attending it, but trying to develop those partnerships out of these conferences that will go a long way to make the foundation stone for the exascale supercomputing, and which will again catapult us into quantum mission in future, as well as the AI mission that India is looking forward to and is investing in a big way. Thank you very much.